Okay, so the next technique I'm going to demonstrate the hook kick. Now we've done all the other snap kicks. We've done the snap round kick, snap side kick, a couple different variations. We're just adding another technique to our arsenal. So I'm also going to add a bonus, and I'm going to explain the difference between the heel kick and the hook kick. And everybody has their own different terminology. I'm going to try to make it really simple. Using some sort of initiating technique, finger jab to the eyes, jab, whatever, I'm getting my opponent to react. I'm feigning, and as I'm feigning, that's like bringing me in, my heel to heel, okay? I'm not, however, letting those heels touch. You can, but before the heel touches, I'm skipping, okay? Now that's the footwork. I want to, like, this technique is bringing me forward. I'm not letting my posture come forward. It's like I'm being pulled forward with a rope, okay? As this technique, this is like a lead finger jab, okay? But basically what I'm doing is, let me show it low. Same thing, initiating, heel to heel, not letting the heels touch. And I'm here, okay? There it is. Here, letting that side kick, hook, out, down. I don't want to get out of my stance. I want to have a really good stance. If I miss this technique, I want a good stance. So how this works is I'm not side kicking straight at them. I'm going to do it slightly off center to their body. I actually prefer this technique low. Hitting to the inside of the thigh, hitting to the outside of the thigh, hitting to the groin. It's a tricky technique. Here we go. You get a little more distance when you're hitting with a foot, but I highly recommend the heel on this. And we are skipping, side kick, hook. Okay? And I'm chambering and rechambering. So if you want more power on this, you can add your hip into it. This is what I refer to as the heel kick. You can actually combine a little bit of both, the snapping of the knee and the hip coming out to add that power to it. Okay, let me give you an example. When I'm here, see, that's that extra power, I'm letting that hip come out. But you can get a lot of power just from that snap. When I'm here, hit and then snap, okay? Applications for this technique. I prefer to throw it low or high. I never throw it mid. It's just too easy to catch, and the juice isn't really worth the squeeze on it. I would experiment with different movements, but I would have to say that high hook kick and the low hook kick are probably the most preferable. I'm going to show with a partner on the next video, I'm going to show an application of this technique.